Alright, Zone 9 James here. I did get some wire for this. It's the, as you can see it. Get it locked in first. Okay, here's a little splice I did. It's not a splice. I cut the old wire off the other fan that still had the connector, and then this little computer fan here. It's the same voltage, 12 volt DC, and it's a 0.25 amp. And I just soldered two pins on it for the black and white. So it does work and it comes on. So it's blowing air over the cooling heat sinks. So that's a little thing I did for it to get me by on this one. And the capacitors are shutting down. I'll go to 6 in the wire feed speed. I'll just start at 4 and 5. 4 in the wire feed and 5 in the volts. So here it goes. Crank the wire speed feed up to 5.5. Crank it up to about 6. A little more tension on the set the volts at 6, the wire feed speed at 5. Right at 5 on the volts, 4 on the wire feed speed. Go to 4 and 3. I'm just going down. Still burning nice and hot like I did before when I first started. 2.5 on the wire foot speed. Go to 2 and 2 in there. Then on 1 and 1. I'm going to kick it up to 8 and 7. Go to 9 and 8. We go 9, 10 and 9. And max it out on the bolts and 9 on the wire speed. Try 10 and 10 on this last one. These are the ones I was going down in voltage. And these ones were the ones I started to go up. This is the 10 and 9, 10 on the volts and 9 on the wire feed speed. This one's the 10 on 10 max. This is the 9 and 8. And this one's the 7 and 8 on the side. And it did penetrate all the way through. And it did burn significantly on all. This one, the max, or the 10 and 9 wire feed setting, it burned all the way through. And 9 and 8 here, and the 10 and 10 right here, and this one, it kind of really didn't really burn through all the way. But these, it did show, it did burn through pretty good. Some spatter, but nothing can be cleaned up with the wire wheel grinder. But it does weld again, so just adjust your amperage and stuff with the stuff you're doing. So I did fix it and it's working. So I got some projects coming up for this welder here. So thanks a lot. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That I did get the Century FC90 running. Back to welding again. replace the MOSFETs that were shorted out. Alright, thank you.